Welcome to Tube.
Remove the hold-down bracket. Disconnect the negative terminal first. Loosen the nut. Carefully lift the clamp off. Push the cable aside so it doesn't accidentally touch the battery. Disconnect the positive terminal. Lift out the battery carefully. Place the new battery in the tray. Make sure battery terminal's in the same orientation with cable. Reconnect the positive terminal first. Tighten the nut. Reconnect the negative terminal last. Tighten the nut. Install back with the hold-down bracket. Double check all connections. They should be snug but not over-tightened.